Let me show you how to make this super fluffy tutu in a few steps. Let's begin by rolling out our fabric. Now that we've rolled out our fabric, let's go ahead and cut the length of our tutu. We'll want to make 2 straight cuts on each side of our fabric. Now that we've cut the length of our tutu, we're going to want to fold that in half and take it over to the sewing machine. We'll want to sew a 1-inch channel along the folded side of our fabric. We'll do this all the way down. Now that we've sewn our channel for our elastic band, we'll want to divide our fabric in half. Now let's add the ribbon to 1/2 of the fabric. Align it along the edge of the ribbon and sew all the way down. Now that we've completed that, you see we have our channel and the ribbon sewn on one side of the tutu. Now we'll want to open that up and sew the ribbon onto the other half of the tutu. Let's go ahead and sew the ribbon all the way down the length of the tutu. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and get our elastic ready so we can run it through the channel that we've created. Let's begin by opening up that channel so that we can run the safety pin connected to the elastic all the way through. Now let's insert the safety pin into the channel and scoot the fabric onto the elastic band. We'll want to continue this process until we have all the fabric shifted onto the elastic. Now let's remove the safety pin and sew our elastic ends together to close up our tutu. I like to clip my elastic together so it doesn't shift while sewing. We'll go ahead and complete that all the way along the end, then flip it over and sew the other end closed. And there we have it. Now let's go ahead and close up our tutu. Let's connect the 2 open ends. Let's sew all the way down, but stop right at the top where the channel begins. Here's where my channel is, and I'll stop. And there you have it. Now we have our tutu closed in, completed. Now we'll want to go ahead and scoot the fabric evenly along the elastic. Now that this is done, let's go ahead and place it on our mannequin. We'll want to create an even ruffle look all the way around the tutu. Now let's take our standard tutu and make it super fluffy. Simply pinch the top layer of ribbon and separate it from the bottom layer of ribbon. We'll do this all the way around the tutu. And there you have it, a super fluffy tutu. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.